If you're looking to buy a waterfront building lot in a surfing community that you can own through a bank trust or escrituras públicas, in this video I have two options for you. Welcome to Punta San Jacinto, Baja California, Mexico, a well-known place for fishing and surfing. Located 4 hours south of the border with San Diego and Tijuana and only 15 minutes from Camalu, where you can find gas stations, restaurants, ATMs, and more. Hi everyone, this is your licensed real estate broker, Jonathan Mendez in San Quintin, Baja California. Today we have 3 waterfront lots for sale that I would like to show you. They are located in Punta San Jacinto, also known as the Shipwreck. So please take the time to watch this video. Thank you. There are no CC&Rs in this community. Every lot is privately owned and can be owned outright. There is water service available to the lots. Each lot is 10,225 square feet. If you would like to have more information on these properties, please leave your comments below this video and we will get back to you. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to our channel, and also to hit the bell button so you will be notified in your emails of new listings in our community. Thank you very much for all the support you give me in social media. God bless you and have a great day.